don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Oh, Royals, you're cordially invited to my 2021 Spring It On Home Tour. Upon entering the front door, you are greeted by a burst of color that screams spring. I love my signature blue. It is my tried and true, and I coupled it with the lovely corals, festive yellows, and soft pinks, and it immediately welcomes you in. Guys, I will allow the video to play to soft, soothing music. Also, I will link videos to each space as I have decorated them individually in previous videos. So I will share the Spring 2021 link in my description box for your viewing pleasures. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. options. Nah, I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face.
away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to reply my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
All right, Royals, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this spring home tour. I want to invite you that if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now, to my tried and true and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Please comment, like, and share. Let me know what was your favorite space throughout the tour. Again, set your notification bells so that you'll always know when I upload new content. I've got some amazing summer decor to share with you. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will iCard for your viewing pleasures the Spring It On playlist, as well as the Amazon store with all of the linkable items located inside, so you can shop to your heart's content. Well guys, that's all for now. Until the next video, be royal, stay safe, and have a blessed and beautiful day.